The torsion spring is part of your cutoff saw's blade guard assembly. The spring applies tension to the guard so it closes over the blade after a cut. Over time, the spring can fatigue and eventually break. Replacing the torsion spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the guard from the saw. First, I'll remove the bolt. And now the screw. Now I'll remove the two screws that secure the plate. And I'll remove the mounting plate. With the mounting plate removed, now I can remove the inner plate. And now I have access to the spring. I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I can install the new torsion spring. I'll place it so one leg is behind this post, and the other leg sits on this surface here. Now I can reinstall the inner plate. The mounting plate, you'll notice there's a tab that sticks down from the mounting plate. I need to place that tab in this gap between the spring and the guard. Now the outer plate, and I'll secure it with the screws. And now I can reinstall the guard. And that's how you can replace the torsion spring on your cutoff saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.